Do the face.
Shit, man.
Hi guys.
That's it?
Welcome back to my channel. So for my last video, he did my makeup, so now it's my turn to do his makeup. I'm gonna transform him 100% into a girl. He's gonna have a wig on. I'm gonna try to do his makeup really good. Your face is really dry.
Okay.
So I'm gonna use a primer.
Oh no.
How does it feel? So then, because he has really big pores, I will Porefessional's primer around his nose area and his cheeks.
I smell like a girl.
That's good. I'm going to be using a stick concealer underneath his eyes. Look up. It hurts?
No.
And now I'm going to blend it. What?
Okay.
What?
It just feels funny. I feel my whole face shaking.
Because you have extra skin.
Oh. What the fuck?
Okay, so now I'm going to be putting a foundation on. I don't have his color, but I'm going to make it work.
Oh,
How does it feel? Does it feel like thick?
like paint?
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, you're going to wrinkle your face up. So normally, I do this on myself. I use the Mario Badescu, and I spray it all over my face just to help it blend easier. It's actually pretty close to your skin color. It's just a little more like pinky.
Pinky? I look white.
So now under his eyes, I'm going to use the NYX color correcting, but I'm going to use this color over here. What? Look up. Okay, okay. Chill. Look up at on your skin. Oh, no, okay. Look up. No, okay. Look up. David!
Oh.
Look up. Why do you open your eyes? I mean your mouth. Okay. Close your eyes. Look up.
I feel like you're poking out my eyeball.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Okay, now I'm gonna be putting a setting powder under his eyes. And I'm using the Aspen setting powder. Alright, look up. Okay.
That's what you did.
Okay, so now that it sit for a little bit, I'm gonna wash it off. I'm gonna smear it off. Look up. Keep looking.
Oh, eyes are closed. How are you gonna tell me to look up?
Now I'm gonna be using a powder for his entire face. Oh, you do look white.
I told you.
Look over there. You don't look as white.
Like white as shit.
Now I am going to contour his face. Go like this. You baby got stuck. Okay. Wow.
I didn't need that.
Okay. Now I'm gonna do highlighter. So now I'm gonna do your eyelids. Okay, I'm gonna be using this one on his crease. What?
It doesn't have a name.
Oh. This is what they wanted.
You're gonna disown me.
This is what they wanted.
I gotta shout them out.
Go. Go.
Want to give a shout out to PG. You guys know who you are.
I'm gonna remove you. I'm gonna use this one. Look at him.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so I'm gonna do his eyebrows before I do his lashes. You look so pretty.
Thanks, bud.
Okay, so now I'm gonna curl your lashes.
What?
Don't move.
Oh my goodness. Oh, you're gonna get my eyeball. Wait. Pause it.
Why? Why?
Just pause it.
Why?
Just pause it.
Why did it get your eye?
No, just pause it.
Why?
Because
I'm scared.
you need to crop this out. Just pause it.
Okay.
I have a tear coming down, man. Where's the shirt? Where's the shirt? Wait. No, you're not in the corner. Do my whole eye. Put it against my whole eye. Yes. I'll do it. Oh. Okay. What?
I didn't pause it. Are you open?
Ah!
Open? Okay. Alright. Keep your ojos closed. Oh my god, it's so hard doing this eye. Because I'm not left-handed. It's a wig cap?
I'm looking like a condom.
Your head is too big.
What the hell? I got a big ass forehead. Oh my goodness. feel like a female.
Do you?
Yeah, I don't like it.
No?
No.
Okay. Well, this is the final look.
Oh.
Turn your whole face. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want more videos like this, like, subscribe, follow us follow me on all social media. I'll have the Snapchat and
Until next time, guys.
Instagram.